Well, I know that some of that was in super high speed, but if I had taken all the time to film that, it would probably be at least 8 hours of filming because I worked a ton on these. Maybe not quite 8 hours, but I bet in total, including the other 2 videos, I bet I've spent 8 hours working on this one paper pack. So let me show you what we have left first, and then I'll show you what I did. So this is all we have left. There were little scraps. If they were less than, I don't know, this big, I threw them away. But everything else I used. So I have these 2 little baby pieces, this little piece. This is actually a piece of the wrapper. Then I have this piece, and this piece. So that's what I have left of the kit. And then I have this piece of paper. This is the biggest sheet of paper I have left. And I use this to cut some things out, as you can see. And this is the only thing that's probably even salvageable. I probably won't keep these. They're too small for me to keep in my scrap pile. And frankly, I'm probably a little sick of all of this set. I love the set, and I think that it's adorable. I'm really happy that I did this. It was a great challenge. I appreciate someone asking about it, and I will probably do it with the Christmas set as well when it gets closer to Christmas. I'll give it a few months so I'll forget how much it was. I mean, honestly, it wasn't a pain, and it was fun to do. I'm not gonna lie, it was a lot of fun because it was a lot of creativity, and I got to just kind of put things together. There are some cards that I like better than others, of course. There are some that are just kind of like, okay, I'm sick of this, let's just get it going. But for the most part, I think I like them all. I mean, I think that some of them were very creative. So let's just go ahead and go through them because it's going to take forever to just show you what was done. So this is what's left, and then I have 2 stickers left. One says date and has a little area for you to write a date, and then this one says RSVP. And you know, I wasn't doing any invitations, so I didn't do that. So I am actually probably just going to trash all of this. I could do something with this. It's kind of killing me going, oh, but I'm just going to throw it in the trash because I have plenty of stuff in this paper. Okay, so I made all of these cards. And that's not it. I just thought I'd tease you. I also made all of these tags. And then, bam. All of these cards. So this is all of the cards in totality, and this is all of the tags. So let me quickly go through the tags. They're very simple, very easy. I didn't put glitter or anything on any of them. A lot of them are just tags like this, so you can write to and from on the back if you want to, throw it in the bag, or you can tape it onto the bag, whatever. And when I'm saying you, I guess I mean I, but I don't know that I will ever use all of these. I'll probably share. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, I will say that none of the card bases or none of the, the plain card stock was in the kit. That's obviously all mine. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. So there's 30 tags. I'm going to write this down because I will never remember. 30 tags. And I'm not sure how many cards. Let's look at them and then I'll count them. So here's the first one. I used stickles on it, put some twine on it, did a little paper there, and then that's the inside. So I'll just kind of go through them kind of quickly. Obviously, if there's glitter like this, I did stickles. These were stickers from the kit. That was the sticker too. This is one of the sheets. A sticker, age is just a number. I did this small card. I did some rhinestones and some border punching. This looked like Swiss cheese to me. I thought that this border would be really cool, and I was so excited when I bought it. Every time I've used it, I've been disappointed. I'm just not excited about it anymore. I don't even think when I got it, when I tried it, because it just looks like Swiss cheese. It's kind of dumb. But whatever. If somebody knows this punch and uses it for something and it looks good, let me know, please. I do like my rhinestones. I'm a rhinestone gal. Birthday wishes, and then this is a gift card holder. You can move the candle over, and then you put your gift card in there. So that's kind of cute. This one just says happy birthday. At first this was very plain and it wasn't one of my favorites, and now I like it. This one's really pretty too. Happy birthday, and it has all the stickles on it. This one turned out really cute. I wasn't sure what to do with this one, but when I put the border down here, it just seemed like I needed more, so I just kept adding, and I just like the way that looks, and I like the little hat. And I put celebration on the inside. And this one is birthday celebration. It's your day. Open it this way. I did some dots with stickles. Here's another smaller card. Turned out cute. Oh, this one has a belly band, but it says it's time to put your party hat on and celebrate. But if you take the belly band off, it does say party hat. And then you open it this way. So I thought that would be kind of fun. And this one, I'll put some purple over here. It's your birthday. So I used a die cut here. A little cupcake inside. I made a banner with some of the stickers. This is a gift card holder. You put the gift card in from corner to corner like that. This is my washi cutter. I know it's out of season, but so you just kind of have to play with it to stick the gift card in like that. And then I thought it was cute to put a little smiley face on the bottom. Ooh, I just ripped that. That's lovely. I work so hard on it, and then I rip it. And here's this card. It opens, if I can get it to open, opens this way. And I replaced the string with twine. This one I think is really cute. That's just a sticker. And rhinestones, another gift card holder. You put it in sideways. Cupcake with some designer stuff. This one's not one of my favorites. This one says wish big and blow out your candles. Gift card holder. This one turned out pretty cute. Just says party with the balloons. A gift card holder. Make a wish. And then I put a candle on the inside. I thought that was cute. Make a wish. There's your candle. Blow it out. Happy birthday. And I like the little dots with stripes. Here's a cake. Just some candles and party hats. And a candle on the inside. This one says time to celebrate and party, and I put stickles on them. I think that's really cute. I love the stickles. And same with this one, I put stickles on all of the darker pink birthday wishes, and then on the inside there's some cupcakes and some stickles. Birthday wishes, some glue. I just stickled the cupcakes, stickled some of the dots. Birthday wishes with the stickles on the hat. Stickles on the balloons. Hooray, it's your birthday. And that's just all that paper, so I didn't do anything special to that. I just put some stickles on it, and those are just 3 different papers. And here's stickles around this sticker. Birthday girl. And this was the outside of the paper pack. I kind of like how that's like almost like in lights. This was on the outside of the paper pack. And I love the stripes. This is really cute paper. Yummy cake. And it's on the cupcake, so that was cute. Hope you have a very happy birthday and eat lots of cake. And I just put a bow right there. That's just a sticker. And then that's just some cardstock on the inside. And this one just has stickers on it. Again, this one isn't one of my favorites, but I put stickers on the inside too. I mean, it's not bad. I just isn't that great. I was ready to be done by that point. These aren't in any order of when I did them for sure. But sometimes I felt like I just didn't want to stickle up everything, so I didn't. Life of the Party. I like how I did that border there. And then I put a little bit right there. Hip hip hooray. I think that one turned out pretty cute. There's a little cupcake. Again, there's no stickles or anything on any of these. I don't know why, just I wasn't doing it. I put a little bow there with the balloons. I thought that was kind of cute. And a little cupcake down there. And I really like this one, even though it's very simple. But I think it's really cute. And this one too, I like this one a lot. And I did put some Wink of Stella on the cupcakes. And then it just says, let them eat cake on the inside. And this one says, make a wish. And I tried to do like little sprinkles like that are on this paper. I love that ribbon. And this one has a little doily behind it. It says, let's celebrate. And this is the outside of the paper again, and this is just a sticker. I think that one turned out really cute too. This one's kind of fun. It has this little card here, and then it just slides underneath that, and then it opens this way too. And this one is a smaller card, wish big and blow out your candles. I guess I should put my smaller cards over there. Life of the Party, that one turned out pretty cute. And here's another small card with lots of stickles. Happy birthday. And I think I did this one with you guys. This is the only one that I use those things on. They're just not my thing, really. I love the stickles, but I'm not just big on those things. But, I mean, it's cute. It's just not something I like to play with too much. Let's eat cake, and I dotted this up with some stickles and put stickles on that. And then, of course, there's a doily behind it. Oh, I didn't put a piece of white underneath it, and I happen to have one piece left. Good, that one has white. So there's just some rhinestones on that and a little piece of white on the inside. Sometimes I do that with cards. Just sometimes you don't have a lot to say. You just want to say happy birthday. Let's see, this one's cute. I like that one a lot, actually. And then, oh, this is the one that I did with you guys, and I did the dots on the inside, and then I did the envelope to match with the dots on the side. So that's the only one that I did an envelope for. That one's really cute, though. And this one's really cute, too. Make a wish, and it has the pretty bow and some stickles. This one is another make a wish. And that's cute, too. And I didn't put white behind there, but that's all right. Some of the light pink, I don't mind if there's not white. Oh, this one's cute. Birthday wishes, and then you open it up, and it's a little pop-up. Birthday girl, and then there's a little area here for you to write on. So that's a little pop-up there. And then this one is a kind of a neat fold. Let's eat cake, and then you open it this way and this way. And it says birthday girl, and there's a place for you to write right here. And that concludes everything I made for this particular card set, or paper set. So I think that I did pretty good. I'd like to know what you guys think below of the things. I know I won't ever use 30 tags, so if I'm doing any swaps or anything, you guys might get some of those. But, I mean, they're cute. They're just, I know I won't use that many. So let's count and see how many cards we got. All right, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 53 A2 sized cards. And I think 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 small cards. Holy cow. I'm writing that down. So that's a total of 53, 83, 87 things with one paper pack. So in the paper pack, I think was $14. Now, of course, I had to supply the base, the card base, but yeah, I mean, I would say maybe I spent maybe 30 bucks, including the stickles and the twine and everything, the rhinestones, maybe 30 bucks on all of it. Maybe that's probably pushing it, and that's 87 somethings. So, I mean, and these cost nothing because, I mean, these are just scraps. And then the paper is just, I used the cheap cardstock, so those were nothing. I used really high quality white cardstock. That's the only reason that it even is that much, if it even is. So, there we go. Hope you guys enjoy that. I really appreciate the challenge. And like I said, I will probably do it again at Christmas time. But yeah, that's really cool. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.